Hello, look what I found. I'm gonna make a delicious, cheap but nutritious, healthy dish with big serving. And it's only take 25 minutes to make. Ready to treat your hunger? Let's get it started. Like always, the first thing we do with all pasta dishes is bringing a big pot of salted water to a boil. In the meantime, let's work on preparing the rest. Peel and mince 3 cloves of garlic. I love garlic. How about you? Next, we chop and cut 1 medium to large carrot about 3 ounces to small sticks. Chop about 10 ounces to 1 pound of broccoli. Come on, it's broccoli. It's superfood. Eat more if you can. Now to make fresh garden snow peas. If you're into gardening, highly recommend you roll them. Anyway, we need about 3 ounces of snow peas. To prepare them, pluck both ends, then peel off the strings that run along both sides of the snow pea pods. Fresh vegetables, yummy! It's a good time to start our stove. Place a large pan or skillet over medium-high heat. Add about 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Back to our cutting board. The very last thing we cut is 8 to 10 ounces of chicken breast. It's about 1 very large chicken breast or 1.5 smaller breast. We will cut it into small slices about 1/4 inch thick. Transfer our chicken into the pan. Garlic also going in. Our pasta pot is ready for the pasta just in time. Add about 9 to 10 ounces of pasta into the hot boiling water. Thin spaghetti or linguine pasta will be best for this dish, but you're welcome to use regular spaghetti. Now back to the pan, stir and season the chicken with some salt and pepper until chicken is almost all white. And our greens join the party. We just stir and let them go wild and get hot in there. Well, while they are having fun, let's prepare our cake. Start with 1 shot of soy sauce. Oops, I mean 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 1/4 cup of water. 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Make sure you don't forget to check on our party occasionally. We don't want them to get out of hand. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. This is optional if you would like to have a cake. And finally, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Stir up, then pour it into the pan. Yeah, let's supply the party with some juices. Now we reduce heat to medium and stir occasionally until slightly thickened. Now we just wait for the pasta is done cooking. It's almost there. Typically it takes about 10 minutes to cook pasta. Yay! Our pasta is done. Drain off liquid, then pour it into the pan. Now we just stir the pasta to coat with the sauce, then stir occasionally until the sauce is almost dried out. About 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. It is ready and I'm so hungry. Alright, food out on the plate. Some sesame seeds. Let's go. Alright, I'm just gonna dig in and let you find out how good it is by making it yourself. In the meantime, please like and subscribe. That will help me a lot. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.